Hi guys, today I'm back with another resin mold to test out. Now this one looks like just a plain tea light holder. So I have mixed up some epoxy resin and I have added an ultra fine purple glitter, and we're just going to fill up this mold and see how it turns out. Okay, I'll let that sit for a few minutes and then I'll grab my little heat tool here and pop any bubbles that appear, and I'll let that cure for at least 24 hours, but possibly 48 hours. And I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, it has been 48 hours for this one. Let's see how this tea light holder turns out like. Let's see if it comes out, because I did leave it that little bit longer. No, I think she's going to be okay. Wow, look at the sparkle of that glitter. It is so nice. So smooth. Now, let me have a look. I reckon you could make a trinket disc or something like that, but yes, it does have like a bit for a tea light or a candle. But I reckon you could put some rings in this as well. Anyway, super nice, super sparkly. If you're looking for something like this, give this mold a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.